Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to a TV, to a dock like that. First of all, the dock has to be connected to a TV and to an external power source. So at the back of the dock, you can see I have the switch right here. At the back of the dock, there is the HDMI output. You need to plug it in and plug it into the TV. Then also the AC adapter, which you also need to plug in. Then you can close the lid, which is right here. I just don't want to do it because I will need to do some cable management here. And now, once that's done, basically, you can put the switch inside and now select the source on your TV and it will be connected. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next one.